You did all the edits, the retouching, color grading, cleaning up the backdrops, and now you think you are ready to print. But are you? In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you one must thing to do before you print. So without any further ado, let's get started. When you see a photo in a monitor or any screen, you might not see all the imperfections on a bright display. But after print, when you see it in a magazine or any paper, those imperfections can be clearly visible. So that's why we create check layers. In this tutorial, we're gonna create an X-ray check layer. Not that type of X-ray that you're thinking about. This X-ray will exaggerate those imperfections. This check layer has a name. It's called Solarize. Create a curve adjustment layer. Here we need to create a zigzag line, just like this. Now those dust, scratches and other imperfections are clearly visible. Without this check layer, we can barely see them. Some of them cannot be even visible at all. Now we know how to create the check layer. Now we need to know how to fix it. Fixing it is very simple. Let's create a new layer just below the curves adjustment layer. You can select the spot healing brush tool or the remove tool or the healing brush tool. Let's first select the spot healing brush tool. Zoom in and just paint it like this. It will be removed. You can also select the healing brush tool. Probably it will do a better job in this case. Hold Alt or Option to take a sample and paint. For this large area, I'll select the clone stem tool. Let's reduce the flow around 50%. Now hold Alt or Option to take a sample and paint. One very important thing I must mention. Whether you use the healing brush tool or the clone stem tool, make sure the sample is set to current and below. That means when you take a sample by holding Alt or Option, then you are taking sample from this layer and the layers below it, not from the top layers. If you set it to all layers, then the clone stem tool takes sample from the top layers as well, here which is the check layer. If I take a sample and paint, then it will totally destroy the image. So make sure it is set to current and below. Press Ctrl Command and Z to undo and fix it. Similarly, you can fix all the imperfections. Now let's go to the second example. But do I need to create a check layer every time I need it? Not really. We can create an action. So when we need it, we just need to click only one button. Let's go back to the first image. I'll delete this check layer. Now open the action panel. You can find it in Window, Action. Let's create a set first. It's like a group. I'll name it Check Layers. Then click this icon. Action name will be Solarize, or we can name it however you want. Then click Record. You can see this red button. Now whatever you do, it will be saved in this action. So like before, create a curves adjustment layer, create the same type of zigzag lines. Now go to the action panel and hit the stop icon. This action will be saved. Okay, now let's try this. I'll delete this one. Select the Solarize action and hit play. The Solarize check layer will be created automatically. Now let's go to the second example. Just click the play icon to create the Solarize check layer. You see these dots or dust. You cannot even see it without the check layer. But when you print it, those dots might be show up. So it's better to fix it now. Like before, create a new layer. Select the healing brush tool. Make sure the sample is set to current and below. Now hold Alt or Option to take a sample and paint to remove them. Do this for all the dust and scratches. Also, you can see the wrinkles more clearly. There are some pimples in the skin. We can remove them too. So this is how you can check all the imperfections in a photo before printing. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.